Now we will do the experiment for capacitance demonstration kit. We will study the properties of the capacitance with respect to the distance between plate and variation in sizes of the plates. Fix the 20 mm square aluminum plate at a fixed distance on a capacitor rail and connect the LCR meter across them. Read out the capacitance on LCR meter. Disconnect the current setup. Connect the probes to another setup of plate with same distance but change in size. The size of these plates is 28 square meter. Read out the capacitance on LCR meter, which will be differ from the capacitance of 20 square meter capacitor plates. Now, we will study the effect of material between the capacitor plates. Insert the glass plate between the setup of capacitor plates of the setup. Adjust the plates down parallel to the glass plate. Read out the capacitance on LCR meter, which will be increased as compared to the capacitance without dielectric material. Repeat the same procedure with polystyrene sheet and read out the changes in capacitance.